Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a table in Trello. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Google Chrome browser and type in Trello and simply log in if you already have an account. And if you do not have an account, come to the sign up button and then click on it and sign up to Trello. So I'll simply log in to my Trello account and it will navigate to my Trello dashboard. So this is my Trello workspace. Alright, to create a table in Trello is very simple and straightforward. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using this particular board. Tables in Trello help you to organize your work and make it look much more efficient and easy to identify. To create a table in Trello, all you have to do is simply head over to this particular drop down button over here at the left corner and type on it. It is tagged views, so you click on that and it will take you to a list of options: board, table, calendar, dashboard, timeline, and map. For the purpose of this video, what we want to do is create a table in Trello. So we'll click on table, and as you can see, your previous card that looked like this, all right, that looked like this as a board, now looks like this in a tabular form. And you can do well to add other cards in this table. Let's say, for instance, I want to tag this done account. I can head over here to add my start date, my due date, and then the time I want this card to go live, and click on add card. And as you can see, it has been added to my table. So this is a short and simple way that you can create tables in Trello. I hope this video was self-explanatory and simple for you, and you've been able to create your tables in Trello. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm happy to have you here. Until next time, bye for now.